go, 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 go. Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're in the car. That's because, well, I've just gone out. I got a little bird's coffee, a little bird's cob, and then we're going to head over to a place called Superbike Factory, I believe it's called. It's basically a new factory that's been built, selling, it should be hundreds of motorbikes basically and gear. So I'm going to head back in a minute once I've ate this. I'm going to head back, drop the car off, and I'm going to head out on the bike to there, and hopefully we can go and record some bikes and see what there is in there. It's at Donington racetrack circuit, so I think there is a security guard on the gate, but should be able to get past him. And then yeah, go and have a look. Well, look at this geezer. I think it's like a drug flipping stop or something. Because like, he just flipping, he was just like eyeballing me through the window, he was. Flipping weirdo, mate. The guy just came back and said, "Am I alright?" I was like, "Yeah." And he was like, "What are you looking for?" And I was like, "I'm just eating my cob," you know what I mean? He's definitely a drug dealer or something, old man drug dealer.